Welcome to this course on Introduction to the Python Programming and its Application. Okay, so welcome back again on our YouTube channel. And today we will be talking about the basic Matplotlib library, and we will going to plot a basic plot with the help of a Matplotlib. So we will be starting with the function which is known as the plot function. So we will be using this basic plot function in a Matplotlib. So we will going to consider an example. Let's say the cricket match, can say the IPL match. So let's say we are talking about the IPL. In IPL, we have got first 6 overs are very important. Let's say we are saying it as a power play overs. Okay. And what we have to do, we have to draw a graph between the overs and the run. So how much run is being scored in particular over. So let's say I'm making this axis as over number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we are putting a corresponding run with respect to this. So let's say in over 1, we got 10 runs. Then in over 2, we got 5 runs. Then in over 3, we got 8 runs. Then in over 4, we got, let's say, 15 runs. And in over 5, we got again, let's say, 8 runs. And in over 6, we got again, let's say, 18 runs. Okay. So if you see here, what we are trying to do is that we are taking this over, and this over we are taking over the, let's say, x-axis. And here we are taking this run, and this run we are taking over a y-axis. So what we have to do is that we have to draw the axis with respect to this x and y. So on x we will be writing a over, and on y we will be writing a run. So let's start. What we have to do, we have to call the Matplotlib function library. Okay, in a Google Colab, the Matplotlib library is already installed, so you don't have to install this Matplotlib library, but you have to call it. So how we will going to call it? We will be writing a function import matplotlib dot py plot as plt. Okay, and then we will going to run it. Okay, so to check whether my function is correctly called or not. Okay, now what I will be writing, I will be writing overs, and for just for the sake of convenience, I am writing x. So it is representing the x-axis. How much over we have got? 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6. And on y-axis we are writing runs. So I am writing run underscore y equal to how much run we have scored. We have scored first 10, then 5, then 8, then 15, then 8, then 18. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to simply plot this. Okay. So we will be using a plot function. So we will be using a PLT because we have used this matplotlib dot pyplot as a PLT. We are giving this name as a PLT. So we will be calling the matplotlib dot pyplot function with the help of a PLT. So PLT dot plot, and then we will going to write overs underscore x comma run underscore y, and then we will going to show it. That means we will going to write a command to show the plot. So plt dot show. Okay, and then we will going to run it. So you can see that I'm getting this graph like this. Okay, so we have got over number 1, what we have got? We have got a 10 run. Then over number 2, we have got 5 runs. Okay, then at over number 3, we have got 8, and so on. Okay, so you can see that I have tried to plot this thing with the help of a plot function. But what you can see that still we are missing with the thing that we have written the axis that it is a over, and on y-axis we have written it as a run. So what we have to do, we have to give the title of this. Okay, so what is the title? So the title is IPL is my IPL is the title, and these are the label. Okay, so these are the labels. So we have got a, we can say Y label, and we can say it is a X label. Okay, so we have to introduce this label, and this is my title. Okay, so what we will do, we will just try to put here after plt.plot, we will going to write plt.title, and let's say I'm writing title as the IPL match. Okay, then what I have to write next is I have to give the PLT on a Y label. So I'm writing PLT dot Y label, and on Y label I'm writing what? I'm writing the run. Then I'm writing PLT dot X label, and on X label I'm writing overs. Okay, and let me see what output I'm getting. Okay, so you can see now I am getting the title here IPL, and here I am getting the runs, and here I am getting the overs. So now you can see that what was my desired output, I have obtained this. Okay, now suppose if you want to save this figure. Okay, so how you can save this figure? So suppose I want to save this figure, so what I will be using, I will be using a save fig function, and in this save fig function I will going to give the what DPI I want to save the figure. What it should be the dot per inch resolution of my figure. So I will be giving that also. Okay. So I will be using the PLT dot save figure, and let's say I'm giving the name as the IPL score. IPL score. Okay. And in which format I want? I want it in the, let's say, JPG format. So I'm writing JPG format, and how much DPI I want? I want DPI should be equal to, let's say, 180. Okay, and then I will going to run it again. I have saved this figure, and this is being saved with the help of a IPL score. So where you will going to find it? You just click here, and now you can see that my plot will going to appear here. Okay, so you can see this figure is been here. So you can download this figure if you want. You can download this. We can say this is the basic plot which you can draw with the help of a Matplotlib.